Hi, hello, namaste, my dear friends. Today I wanted to discuss with you adjoint of order 3 by 3 matrix, useful all board exams and competitive exams. Hi, hello, namaste, my dear friends, one and all. My name is Krishna Reddy, founder of Aparnika Reddy Institute of Mathematics and Sciences, aims Dare to Success, made in India. Super shortcut tips, tricks, solution, especially made for you. Hi my dear friends, today I came with a new video and a new trick. My name is Krishna Reddy, founder of Aparnika Reddy Institute of Mathematics and Sciences, aims Dare to Success, made in India. Today I want to discuss with you with concept matrices and determinants. In this chapter, how to find adjoint of order 3 by 3 matrix. Already I have discussed with you how to find adjoint of order 2 by 2 matrix. If you want to do that type of adjoint of matrix of order 2 by 2, you can see in playlist. Shortcuts are there, more and more shortcuts are there from matrices and determinants as well as all topics. It is in description box. So next I wanted to go to directly question. Today our question is adjoint of the matrix order is 3 by 3. Order means 3 rows and 3 columns. It is having order 3 by 3. So 3 by 3 order means 3 rows and 3 columns. Shortcut tips, tricks, solution within 10 seconds. By using this shortcut trick, you will get answer within 10 seconds. So the given matrix is 2 0 minus 1 3 1 2 minus 1 1 2. Same value you can write. This is column 1. Next column 2 and the last one is column 3. Coming to row wise, row 1, second is row 2, third is row 3. I will tell you, it is a simple way to remember sleeping position like row 1, row 2, row 3. Teacher will come and stand on the dais and explain you on the board that is related to column 1, column 2, column 3. You can remember like this also. It is very easy. So why I am telling you row 1, row 2, row 3, column 1, column 2, column 3 means I wanted to tell you. So you can write one more time same matrix 2 0 minus 1 3 1 2 minus 1 1 2. After this again you can write as it is column 1 column 2. I wanted to write column 1 column 2 from this matrix. Column 1 is 2 3 minus 1. Column 2 is 0 1 1. Are you understand my point, my dear friends? It is a given matrix. From this matrix, column 1, column 2, again you can copy paste. After writing this, row 1, row 2, from this value, you can write row 1. I wanted to write row 1, row 2. That is 2, 0, minus 1, 2, 0. Row 2 is 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. That's why, my dear friends, I wanted to tell you row 1, row 2, row 3, column 1, column 2, column 3. It is the given matrix value. From the given matrix value, you have to write column 1, column 2 one more time after writing the given matrix. After writing column 1, column 2, you can take row 1, row 2 as it is below. You can copy paste. After completing this procedure, you have to remove first column and first row from this matrix. You can remove it. After removing that, you can write in that matrix remaining values. That is 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, minus 1, 1. 0, minus 1, 2, 0. And the last one is 1, 2, 3, 1. This is 4 by 4 order matrix. Why I am writing this one? To get adjoint of the matrix, I want to write this shortcut. Here you can write as it is. First value 1, 2, 1, 2 as it is det. You can take row values. You have to write here column wise. You can remember, my dear friends, if you want to take row 1, row 2 of det values, you can write here column wise. Here first 2 by 2 order 1, 2, 1, 2. For that det I am writing here. Next values 2, 3, 2, minus 1. You can write in column wise. After that, remaining values 3, 1, minus 1, 1. It is applying det. I am writing in column 1. Here row values, here you can write in column wise. After that, remove row 1. You can take row 2 and row 3. Row 2 and row 3 values 1, 2, 0, minus 1. Same values you can apply det and write in second column. 1, 2, 0, minus 1 completed. Next 2, minus 1, minus 1, 2. 2, minus 1, minus 1, 2. Write in second column. After completing 2, minus 1, minus 1, 2, last value minus 1, 1, 2, 0. Minus 1, 1, 2, 0. Write in second column. So remove or leave it second row, first row. After that, you have to assume row 3 and row 4. Row 3 and row 4 values first 2 by 2 order 0, minus 1, 1 to apply det. And write in third column. So 0, minus 1, 1, 2 completed. Then you have to go to remaining minus 1, 2, 2, 3 for this det. And the last one 2, 0, 3, 1. You have to write it in matrix. Okay na, my dear friends. After that, one small logic already I have discussed in previous video. If you are having doubt, you can check from the previous shortcut link, shortcut trick from playlist. It is in description box. Mod A B C D of order 2 by 2. The formula is AD minus BC. Like that you can apply here also. AD minus BC. 1 2s are 2 minus 1 2s are 2, AD minus BC. After that 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. After that minus BC. 0 into 2 is 0. After that 0 into 2 is 0 minus BC. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Minus of minus plus 1. First row completed. Then I wanted to go to second row. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. After that minus 2 into 3 is 6. After that 2 into 2 is 4 minus minus 1 into minus 1, minus into minus plus 1 ones are 1. After that minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. After that minus 2 twos are 4. At the last third row 3 ones are 3 minus 1 into plus 1 minus 1. So minus of minus plus 1. After that minus 1 into 0 is minus 0. Then take minus 1 twos are 2. At the last value 2 ones are 2 minus 3 zeros 0. After that normal simplification, plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled, 0, minus 1 minus 0 is minus 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8, 4 minus 1 is 3, minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7, 3 plus 1 is 4, 0 minus 2, small number minus big number is negative symbol, 0 minus 2 is minus 2, 2 minus 0 is 2. This is the adjoint of the given matrix A. My dear friends, one more time I wanted to tell you logic. More and more questions, if you practice, you will understand this concept easily. As it is matrix, you can write as it is. After that column 1, column 2, one more time you can write. After completing this part, row 1, row 2, you have to rewrite in below. After that first column, first row, remove it. After that you will get 4 by 4 order. For that 4 by 4 order matrix, you can take row 1, row 2, of that like this 2 by 2 order determinant you have to write in first column. Next row 2, row 3 assume करना, column 2 में apply करना, row 3, row 4 assume करना, column 3 में apply करना. After that you can take this concept mod A B C D is equal to AD minus BC. Normal simplification, you will get a answer. Next my dear friends, similar type one more question I want to discuss with you. Adjoint of the matrix 1 2 minus 2 minus 1 3 0 0 minus 2 1. Same as it is matrix, you can copy paste 1 2 minus 2 minus 1 3 0 0 minus 2 1. After that column 1, column 2, copy paste 1 minus 1 0, column 1, column 2 values 2 3 minus 2. Next row 1, row 2, copy paste from that value, row 1 value 1 2 minus 2 1 2. After that row 2 value minus 1 3 0 minus 1 3. After writing this, row 1 and column 1 you can delete it. After deleting column 1, row 1 remaining, you are getting as it is 4 by 4 order, that is 3 0 minus 1 3 minus 2 1 0 minus 2 2 minus 2 1 2 3 0 minus 1 3. This is the 4 by 4 order matrix. Next one logic already I discussed with you. Row 1, row 2 you can take. For that you can write in column wise 3 0 minus 2 1. After that 0 minus 1 1 0, write in column wise. Next minus 1 3 0 minus 2, write in column wise. Row 1 completed. Then row 2, row 3 assume. We will write minus 2 1 2 minus 2, write in second column. After that 1 0 minus 2 1, write in second column. After that 0, minus 2, 1, 2. Write in second column. So row 1, row 2, leave it. Next row 3 and row 4, assume. What are the values? 2, minus 2, 3, 0. Write in third column. So remaining minus 2, 1, 0, minus 1. Write in third column. At the last 1, 2, minus 1, 3. Write in third column. After writing this small logic, that is mod A B C D is equal to AD minus BC, one simple shortcut. So you have to apply that concept. 3 ones are 3. After that minus 0 into minus 2, 0 into something, 0, leave it. Minus 2 into minus 2, minus plus 2 2s are 4, minus 2 ones are 2. After that 2 into 0, 0, minus 3 into 2, 3 into minus 2, minus 6, minus into minus plus 6. Coming to second row, 0 into 0, 0. After that minus 1 into minus 1, minus 1, minus of minus plus 1. After that 1 ones are 1, minus 0 into minus 2, 0. After that minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2, minus of minus plus 2, minus 1 zeros 0. At the last minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2, minus of minus plus. After that minus 3 into 0, 0. Next 0 into 2, 0, minus 1 into minus 2, minus 2, minus of minus plus 2. After that last value 3 ones are 3. After that minus 1 into minus 2, minus 2. So minus of minus plus 2. Last value 3 minus 0, 3. 4 minus 2, 2. 0 plus 6, 6. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 minus 0, 1. 2 minus 0, 2. 2 minus 0, 2. 0 plus 2, 2. 3 plus 2, 5. This is the adjoint of the given matrix 1, 2, minus 2, minus 1, 3, 0, 0, minus 2, 1. My dear friends, next similar model, one more question I wanted to tell you. How to find adjoint of the matrix 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. So same matrix you can write 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. Next our concept column 1 column 2 as it is you can write it. Column 1 column 2 same values. Column 1 is 2 1 1, column 2 is 1 2 1. After that row 1 row 2 completely you can copy paste. Row 1 values 2 1 1 2 1. After that row 2 1 2 1 1 2. After getting this first column and first row, you have to remove that matrix. After removing first row and first column, remaining matrix you can write as it is 2 1 1 2. After that 1 2 1 1. After that 1 1 2 1. Next 2 1 1 2. We got 4 by 4 order, 4 rows, 4 columns. Next row 1 row 2 assume you can write in column 1, that is date 2 1 1 2. Next date 1 1 2 1. Next date 1 2 1 1. Row 1 row 2 while you are taking you can write in column wise in date. After that row 2 row 3 I am taking 1 2 1 1. Next 2 1 1 2 and next one 1 1 2 1. So row 2 row 3 part completed. Next row 3 and row 4 assume. So you can write it third column 1 1 2 1. Next 1 2 1 1. Next 2 1 1 2. Write in matrix. After that, normal simplification. I want to write here mod A B C D is equal to AD minus BC. This concept you can use here. 2 into 2 4 minus 1 ones are 1. After that 1 ones are 1 minus 2 ones are 2. 1 ones are 1 minus 2 ones are 2. Coming to row 2, 1 ones are 1 minus 1 twos are 2. 2 twos are 4 minus 1 ones are 1. 1 ones are 1 minus 1 twos are 2. Coming to row 3, 1 ones are 1 minus 2 ones are 2. 1 ones are 1 minus 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4 minus 1 ones are 1. Maximum part completed. Next 4 minus 1 3. Small number minus big number is negative symbol. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. This is the adjoint of the given matrix 2 1 1 1 2 1 1 1 2. Next question, similar model, adjoint of the matrix 1 0 2 2 1 0 3 2 1. So same matrix you can write here, my dear friends. 1 0 2 2 1 0 3 2 1. After writing that, again you can write column 1 column 2 as it is. Column 1 is 1 2 3. Column 2 is 0 1 2. After that, from that above matrix R1 R2 copy paste. Row 1 is 1 0 2 1 0. Row 2 2 1 0 2 1. After writing this complete part, you can remove column 1 and row 1. After removing this, you have to get order 4 by 4 matrix, that is 1 0 2 1 2 1 3 2. Next 0 2 1 0. Next 1 0 2 1. After this row 1 row 2 you can assume and write in first column indent 1 0 2 1. From that 0 2 1 3. From row 1 row 2 remaining values 2 1 3 2. Column 1 completed. So leave row 1, row 2, row 3 you can assume and write column second one 2 1 0 2. Next 1 3 2 1 and next 3 2 1 0. Second column completed. Row 1 row 2 leave it. Row 2 row 3 assume and write it third column indent 0 2 1 0. Next 2 1 0 2 write in date. Last one 1 0 2 1 write in date. And totally it is in big matrix. Here small formula already we discussed. A mod ABCD is equal to AD minus BC. Same concept here I want to use. So 1 1s are 1 minus 0 into 2 0. 2 2s are 4 minus 0 into 1 0. 0 into 0 0 minus 1 into 2 2. Next 0 into 3 0 minus 1 2s are 2. Next 1 1s are 1 minus 2 3s are 6. Next 2 2s are 4 minus 0 into 1 0. Next third column 2 2s are 4 minus 1 3s are 3. 0 into 3, 0 minus 1 2s are 2. 1 1s are 1 minus 0 into 2 is 0. Normal simplification, my dear friends, you will get 1 minus 0 is 1, 4 minus 0 is 4, 0 minus 2. Small number minus big number is negative symbol. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Small number minus big number, negative symbol. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. 4 minus 0, 4. 4 minus 3, ek niranjan 1. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. 1 minus 0 is ek niranjan 1. This is the adjoint of the given matrix 1 0 2 2 1 0 3 2 1. My dear friends, one more question. How to find adjoint of the matrix 2 1 2 1 0 1 2 2 1. I want to write as it is 2 1 2 1 0 1 2 2 1. Next, you can take column 1 column 2 as it is. From this matrix, column 1 is 2 1 2, column 2 is 1 0 2. After that you can take R1 R2 as it is. R1 row 1 is 2 1 2 2 1. Row 2 values 1 0 1 1 0. After writing this part, you have to remove from this value column 1 and row 1. After removing this part, you have to write remaining values in a matrix. We get 0 1 1 0, 2 1 2 2, 1 2 2 1, 0 1 1 0. This is of order 4 by 4. After that, row 1 row 2 assume and write in date in column 1 0 1 2 1. Next 1 1 1 2, and next 1 0 2 2. Column 1 completed. After that, row 1 leave it, row 2 row 3 you can take and write in date and write in column 2 2 1 1 2. After that 1 2 2 2. After that 2 2 2 1. Column 2 completed. Row 1 row 2 leave it, row 3 row 4 assume and write in third column. We get 1 2 0 1. Applied it. Next 2 2 1 1 and applied it. 2 1 1 0 and applied it, and write in big matrix. Here one small logic means formula mod A B C D is equal to AD minus BC. So last maximum part completed. AD minus BC formula 0 into 1 0 minus 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4 minus 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1 minus 0 into 2 is 0. Next 1 into 2 is 2 minus 1 into 1 is 1. Next 1 into 2 is 2 minus 2 into 2 is 4. Next 2 1s are 2 minus 2 1s are 2. And last row 1 2s are 2 minus 0 into 2 is 0. 2 1s are 2 minus 2 2s are 4. And 2 zeros 0 minus 1 1s are 1. So normal simplification करे तो आंसर आता 0 minus 2. Small number minus big number, negative symbol. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. 1 minus 0 is ek niranjan 1. 2 minus 1 is ek niranjan 1. Small number minus big number is negative symbol. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled, 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. Small number minus big number is negative symbol. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. 0 minus 1. Small number minus big number is negative symbol. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Is the adjoint of the given matrix 2 1 2 1 0 1 2 2 1. My dear friends, one more question related to adjoint of the matrix. Matrix is minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, 2, 1, minus 2, 2, minus 2, 1. We are going to do solution. As it is, you can write same matrix minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, 2, 1, minus 2. 2 minus 2 1. After writing this, you can write column 1 column 2 as it is. Column 1 value minus 1 2 2, column 2 value minus 2 1 minus 2. After writing this, row 1 row 2 as it is, you can write row 1 value minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2, row 2 value 2 1 minus 2 2 1. After completing this part, you can remove row 1 and column 1 from this part. After removing this part, I want to write remaining value, that is 1 minus 2 2 1 minus 2 1 2 minus 2. After that minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2. After that 1 minus 2 2 1 is of order 4 by 4. So after completing this part, I want to write in determinant concept. What is that determinant concept? Take row 1 row 2 and write in column wise in small dot 1 minus 2 minus 2 1. After that minus 2 2 1 2. After that 2 1 2 minus 2. row 1 row 2 assume karna, write in column 1. Next row 2 row 3 assume karna, write in column 2. minus 2 1 minus 2 minus 2. Next 1 2 minus 2 minus 1. Last 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2. column 2 हो गया. रो 3 रो 4 एज्यूम करना, कॉलम 3 में लिखना. सो minus 2 minus 2 1 minus 2. सेकेंड पार्ट minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 2 and last one minus 1 minus 2 2 1. column 3 भी हो गया. column 3 also completed. After writing this part, one simple shortcut, mod a b c d is equal to ad minus bc. Formula applying, we get 1 into 1 is 1 minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. After that minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4 minus 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, minus of minus plus 2, minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. After that keep minus 2 into 1 minus 2, minus of minus plus 2. row 1 completed हो गया, row 1 हो गया. नेक्स्ट row 2 में आ गया, row 2 में आ गया. minus 2 into 2 is minus 4, minus 2 1s are 2. Next 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, then keep minus 2 into 2 minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. Then 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, keep minus into minus plus 1 2s are 2. row 2 भी हो गया. आया row 3, 2 into minus 2 minus 4, minus 2 1s are 2. next 2 into minus 2 minus 4, minus of minus plus 2 1s are 2. next minus 1 into 1 minus 1, keep minus 2 into minus 2 minus 4, minus of minus plus 4. next normal simplification, small number minus big number, negative symbol. 1 minus 4 is minus 3, 4 plus 2 6, 4 plus 2 6, minus 4 minus 2 minus 6, 4 minus 1 3, minus 4 minus 2 minus 6, minus 4 minus 2 minus 6, minus 4 minus 2 minus 6, 4 minus 1 3 is adjoint of the given matrix minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 2 1 minus 2 2 minus 1 2 minus 2 1. My dear friends, I came with a new problem related to adjoint of the matrix. Question is 1 3 3 1 4 3 1 3 4. So I wanted to continue answer. Again I wanted to write as it is that matrix 1 3 3 1 4 3 1 3 4. After writing this value, column 1 column 2 write as it is. Column 1 1 1 1, column 2 3 4 3. I wanted to write row 1 row 2 as it is from this value. Row 1 is 1 3 3 1 3. Next row 2 value 1 4 3 1 4. After writing this part, column 1 and row 1, you have to remove it. After removing this part, remaining value is 4 3 1 4 3 4 1 3 3 3 1 3 4 3 1 4. It's a magical or 1 4 3 values. I think you like it method with my explanation. So next row 1 row 2 you can assume and write in first column 4 3 3 4. Next 3 1 4 1. Next 1 4 1 3. First row second row part completed in first column. Next I wanted to assume row 2 and row 3. I am writing second column 3 4 3 3. Next 4 1 3 1 1 3 1 3. Second column also completed. Next I want to assume row 3 and row 4. I am writing column 3 3 3 4 3. Next 3 1 3 1. Next 1 3 1 4. थर्ड कॉलम हो गया एंड मैट्रिक्स आ गया. So after this one simple and small formula, chota formula, a mod AD minus BC, that ABCD is AD minus BC formula you can apply here. We get 4 4s are 16 minus 3 3s are 9. Next 3 3s are 9 minus 4 3s are 12. 3 3s are 9 minus 4 3s are 12. First row completed. Second row 3 1s are 3 minus 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4 minus 3 1s are 3. Next 3 1s are 3 minus 3 1s are 3. Row to be हो गया. रो 3 आ गया. 1 3 ज़र 3 माइनस 4 1 ज़र 4. 1 3 ज़र 3 माइनस 1 3 ज़र 3. 1 4 ज़र 4 माइनस 1 3 ज़र 3. एक मैट्रिक्स आ गया. नया मैट्रिक्स आ गया. न्यू मैट्रिक्स फॉर्मड. नेक्स्ट स्मॉल सिंप्लीफिकेशन. 16 माइनस 9 is 7. Small value minus big value, negative symbol. 9 minus 12 is minus 3. 9 minus 12 is minus 3. Small value minus big value, negative symbol. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. 4 minus 3 is ek niranjan 1. Plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled 0. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled 0. 4 minus 3 is ek niranjan 1 is the adjoint of the given matrix 1 3 3 1 4 3 1 3 4. My dear दोस्ताना, और एक क्वेश्चन 1 2 1 3 2 3 1 1 2 find the adjoint of the matrix. I wanted to go to solution. One more time I wanted to write it 1 2 1 3 2 3 1 1 2. After writing this column 1 column 2 similar you can write it. Column 1 is 1 3, 1. Column 2 is 2, 2, 1. After writing part row 1, row 2 as it is, copy paste. Row 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Row 2 values 3, 2, 3, 3, 2. After writing this part, you can remove row 1 and column 1 as it is. After removing this part, you will get a 4 by 4 order matrix, that is 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2. What a logic, my dear friends. Here all values we are having 1, 2, 3 only. After that row 1, row 2 use it and write in column wise. 2, 3, 1, 2. Next 3, 3, 2, 1. And next 3, 2, 1, 1. Column 1 value completed. Next row 2, row 3 use करना. Column 2 में लिखना 1, 2, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 1, 1, 2. Column 2 भी हो गया. रो 3, रो 4 एज्यूम करना. कॉलम 3 में लिखना 2, 1, 2, 3 और 1, 1, 3, 3 और 1, 2, 3, 2. कॉलम 3 भी हो गया और नया मैट्रिक्स आ गया. So here one small formula already I discussed with you in previous video. Mod ABCD is equal to AD minus BC. Same concept here you can apply. We get 2 2s are 4 minus 1 3s are 3. 1 1s are 1 minus 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6 minus 1 2s are 2. Row 1 completed. Row 2. 3 1s are 3 minus 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2 minus 1 1s are 1. 1 3s are 3 minus 1 3s are 3. 1 3s are 3 minus 1 2s are 2. Next 1 2s are 2 minus 1 1s are 1. And last one 1 2s are 2 minus 2 3s are 6. Maximum answer completed. My dear dostana, 4 minus 3 1, small number minus big number, negative symbol. 1 minus 4 is 3. 6 minus 2 4, small number minus big number, negative symbol. 3 minus 6 minus 3. 2 minus 1 ek niranjan 1 plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled 0. 3 minus 2 ek niranjan 1. 2 minus 1 is ek niranjan 1. Small value minus big value, negative symbol. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Is adjoint of the given matrix 1 2 1 3 2 3 1 1 2. My dear friends, already I discussed related adjoint of the matrix of order 3 by 3 8 problems. Maybe it is very helpful you in all competitive exams like this. You can take it adjoint of the matrix. Next I will discuss with you determinant of the matrix of order 3 by 3. Date of order 3 by 3 I will discuss with you coming soon in next video. Thank you so much for watching my video, my dear friends. Thought of the day. Health is equal to wealth. Health is wealth. ఆరోగ్యమే మహాభాగ్యము. టు గెట్ సక్సెస్ ఏ ఫ్రెండ్ ఇన్ నీడ్, ఏ ఫ్రెండ్ ఇన్ డీడ్. ఆపదలో ఆదుకునేవాడే నిజమైన స్నేహితుడు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ మై వీడియో. If you satisfy with my explanation, please subscribe our channel, support with us, share to your friends, like, comment to this video. Thank you. सबका मालिक एक है. ప్రార్థించే పెదవుల కన్నా సాయం చేసే చేతులే మిన్న. జాయ్ ఆఫ్ షేరింగ్ ఈజ్ కేరింగ్ అండ్ హెల్పింగ్.